In today's class, I will explain you about the object concept in JavaScript. What is an object? Then object is an entity. Then every object has a state and behavior. A state is represented as attributes. The behavior is represented as actions. Then, for example, the car is an object. Then what are the attributes of the car? Then color, cost, then weight, model, which are the few attributes of a car object. Then what are the actions? What are the behaviors? What are the functions of a car object? Run, start, stop, break, which are the few methods of a car object. Another example I will give you, for example, person is an object or human being an object. Then what are the attributes? Color, weight, height. Okay, which are the few examples of an core attributes. Sorry, person attributes. Then when it comes to the behavior, then when action to be performed by that object is called as the behavior. For example, walk, run, sleep. These are the few actions of a person object. Then like that, then how do you create an object in JavaScript? There are three methods. The first one is by using object literal. The second way is that to create the instance of an object by using the new keyword. Then third one is by using object constructor. Then I will give the example for the first method. How do you create an object by using object literal? HTML code, then template, then object title is object creation. Object creation in JavaScript. Then it comes to the JavaScript code. Then you should use the script tag. Then what is the syntax to create an object by using the object literal? The syntax is that then type, for example, I use the constant, then object name, for example, object name is person equal curly braces. Then I will property colon value, comma, then property 2 colon value, comma, property 3 colon value, and so on. Then, for example, ID is a property name, then value is 101, comma, then second property name is name, property name is name. For example, name means string must be included either single quotes or double quotes. For example, anything, for example, name has been given. Then, for example, address, I will give the address. For example, I will give the Hyderabad. Then few attributes have been defined. This is called as the object name. Then you can declare the object by using the constant or var or let keyword. But I use the constant keyword for declaring the object over here. Then ID is the property name, then value, name is the property name, value, then address is the property name, then value. Then once object have been created, how do you access those values of an object? See, document dot write. For example, what is ID name? Or ID, if you want to access the property, then you call it by using the object name. What is the object name? Person is the object name. Then what is ID? Then followed by like that document dot write. Then person dot name. Then same as document dot write. Then person dot object name dot then attribute. What is the attribute? For example, address. Then here I want to display each and every one in a new line. I would like to use the break over there. Then you should use the break tag. Then copy it. Then same. Then once you run it, then what is the output of this application? See here. Then ID, the name and address. Okay, this is called ID. This is called as the name. This is called as the address. Okay, I would like to change here ID name. For example, name is YYY. Anything to be used over here. Then Control X. Then you can save it. Then automatically it has to be updated over here. Then this is the way the object has to be created by using the object literal. Then these are called as attributes and values. Then how do you call the functions? Then the person is object is consist of attributes as well as functions. Then in case of, then how do you call the functions? For example, any function do you want to call? For example, displays the function. Then how do you define the function? Then function keyword. Then curly brackets. This is the function. Anything to be written inside the function. I want to include all these inside the functions. See here. Then these are the attributes. This is the function. How do you define the function of an object? This is the way you can define it. This is the function name. Okay, this is the function keyword has to be used to then this is a setup statement has to be written. Then how do you call this function? Then how do you call this function? By using the object. Then here, then person dot. Then what is the function name? Display. Okay. Then see here. Then do the changes. For example, I would like to want anything to be changed. Then 102. Save it. Then it has been reflected over here. See. Okay, this is the way you can include a function also for any object. Because the object is consist of set of attributes and set of functions or methods or behaviors. Okay, this is the way we can define an object by using object literal. The second way is that to create the instance of an object. Then how do you create an object by using instance an object? I will show you. Then I will erase everything. See here, Control S, then save it. There is no data. Then what is the syntax for it? Then any keyword to be used. Then person, same, equal to new, then object. Okay. This is the way you can create an object. Once object has been created, how do I assign the properties to that object? Let me tell of the object name. Then person is object name dot id equal then 103 semicolon. Then person dot anything name equal to, for example, anything to be given as a name. Then person dot what is called okay address equal to some HYD. Then person dot anything, any number of attributes to be added. Person dot salary, okay, as a designation, anything to be added. Salary I want to give equal to, for example, 40,000 1 2 3. Okay, this is called the float value. Okay, this is where you can assign the attributes to this object. Okay, this is the second way to create an object by using object by using what? To create the instance of an object. This is called the instance of an object. Then how do you display it on the browser? Then document dot, then write, then how do you call it? Then person dot id. Okay, simple. I want to display the id only. See here, the id has been displayed like that. Display name and address and salary everything. This is the second way to create an object. Okay. Then third way is that by using the object constructor. Okay. Then I will show you how do you create an object using the object constructor. Then function name. Okay. Function name is person. Then ID name. For example, I would designation. I want to take the three arguments. Then here you can use the this keyword. This dot id equal to id. This dot name equal to name. This keyword is referred to the current object. Then this dot designation equal to designation. Then once function has been defined, then how do you create an object for this function? Okay, then I would like to use the var keyword. Here any p is object new, then function name person is an object. Then how many values to be passed over here? Their ID, name, and designation. There are three values. Triple one is the ID name. This is the name. Then designation. Okay, for example, assistant professor. Then because this is the way you can create an object by using the object constructor. This is called an object constructor. Then the function will get executed. This keyword is refers to the current object. Okay, this dot id is differ, this is dot id is differ. ID is a local variable, this dot id is belongs to the object. Then how do you call it? If you want to display anything over there, document dot write. Then for example, name equal. I would like to display name over there. Then plus, then what is the object name? P dot, then id. Then like this, then document dot write. Then name also you can display over there. This is called as what? ID. This is called as name plus p dot name. Okay, like that, you can also display the designation also. Now I would like to check it once. Save it. Yeah. For the displaying the new line, you should use the break. Save it when it comes to the new line. Like this, you can also display what is called salary also. Designation, sorry. Then designation equal to p dot, then object name dot designation, then save it. Then here, then copy this one. I would like to display in the new line. Yeah, save it. What is this? The ID, name, and designation. Okay, this is the three ways we can able to create an object in JavaScript. If any doubt regarding this object concept in JavaScript, feel free to ask anytime through the comment box. Thank you all for watching my videos.